In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money while you are asleep. You're gonna make money on autopilot. I'm gonna walk you through entire step-by-step method. So watch the video until the end. Before that, if you like our video, subscribe, like, and share. We upload one video every day, so like our video. So first, what you have to do, you have to go to this website called Offervault. This is the website. Offervault has a collection of CPA offers. CPA stands for cost per action. So whenever a customer put their email address, you get paid in money. So for example, if you want to promote this offer, and if they put the email address, you're gonna get paid in 80 cents. That's straightforward. So you have to do, in order to get the affiliate link, CPA affiliate link, you have to register with this network and you have to get your link. This is how you're going to do that. But in this video, I'm using this website called CPA Lead, and I want to promote this offer about PlayStation 5 gift card. If any of people sign up this offer, this is my affiliate link. I get paid around 93 cents per sign up or per lead. So I'm going to show you two different websites where you can get traffic for your offers. Now, after you get your link, you need to generate traffic for your link. So the method I am doing at the moment is, the first one is go to this website called Udemy. Udemy is a website where you're going to buy solo ads. Solo ads, that means these people has a collection of email list. They will send email for your link, with your link. So when they click open, sign up for that, you get paid. For example, this person, if you click open his profile, that you can see, this person charge around 400 visitors. They are charging around $57. All you have to do, copy and paste your affiliate link here. So you have to select the link only and put your name, email, and create a password for this offer. And you're going to purchase this for $57. So you purchase 100 visitors for $57. What happened after that? This person, you're going to send this affiliate link to these 100 visitors. They open up, they're going to sign up for this offer. This is the PlayStation gift card offer. If they sign up for that, I make roughly around $90 minus 57. I have around $33 in profit. So you can say you get your investment back. At the same time, you have a $33 in profit. Again, if you come down to bottom here, then you can see 95% of the traffic is tier 1 countries. That means United States, UK, and Canada. So if you go to CPA Lead, so you need to generate traffic for United States people. So that means you're definitely gonna get traffic from United States. This is one way I'm doing. The second way is you have to go to this site called influencercard.com. Here you're gonna find Instagram influencer to promote your offers. In this, so you can, here at the top of the page, you can select a different category to find a different influencer. Because I'm promoting video game related stuff, so I search for game and open up this influencer. That you can see this influencer has around 100,000 followers. At the top country is United States and United Kingdom, and this person charging around $20 for that. But if you come down to bottom, again you can see this influencer has around 50,000 followers, and 46% of the traffic is coming from United States, and again 7% is United Kingdom. We don't want to worry about that. So if you click open that you can see here 46% of the traffic is coming from United States. So what you have to do now, you're gonna contact them and you're gonna send your affiliate link, which you obtain from CPA Lead, to this influencer. They're gonna put their link on here on the bio section. I think for 1 day. If they click and they sign up for this affiliate offers, CPA offers, and you can make money. But if you do, we can do the very similar calculation that you can say you can only spend $7 for this 1 day post. So for example, if you're able to get 50 sign up from that, so we have a 50,000 followers, but you can't predict all of them gonna visit your Instagram profile every single day. So imagine that you're able to get a 50 sign up from that. So 50 times 93 cents, which is the affiliate offer, you're gonna get paid. So that roughly $45 that you already made. If you minus the $7 that your initial investment, and you're gonna make $38 in profit. This is how you're gonna drive a traffic to your CPA's offers. So you're going to use influencer card, and you're going to use Udemy to buy a solo ad. if you don't have enough money to buy solo ad or pay for influencer influencer card, that you can get your free money by doing this. So you can see in Premium, I'm doing surveys in the free time. I earn this money. This is the real money. I can refresh my page. I then use this money on influencer card or buy solo ad to promote my affiliate offers or CPA offers. You can see this is the one way. Or second website is live points. If I earn 100 points, I can withdraw $10 in PayPal money, which I can reinvest back into here. This is how you can do. So if you don't have enough money, you can do the service, get you enough money, then you can upgrade the next level. That means you promote the CPA offers or affiliate marketing offers from this method, and you can make money from it. There's another way that you can do YouTube advertisement or Google advertisement in order to drive traffic for your CPA offers, guys. So these are the couple of methods that you can make money while you're asleep, because I said, because when you pay for that, this influencer or the solo ad sellers gonna do the work for you. They're gonna promote that and you're gonna make money while you're asleep. So I hope you understand this method, guys. If you really like our video, subscribe, like and share. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.